Which bird eats the meat of dead animals? Correct answer, vulture. Next question. Which bird can sleep while standing on one leg? Correct answer, flamingo. Next question. Which bird makes its nest using saliva? Correct answer, swift. Next question. Which bird can imitate human sounds clearly? Correct answer, lyrebird. Next question. Which bird migrates the longest distance every year? Correct answer, Arctic tern. Next question. Which bird can turn its head almost all the way around? Correct answer, owl.